That critical email you sent, they said they never got it. And the lack of proof they did is costly. And that email containing your client's private information, well, the law required you to send it encrypted, but you didn't, and now there has been a data breach. And that time-sensitive deal you just faxed, it was held up indefinitely. Technology is supposed to improve business, not get in its way. If you were to create a service today capable of fulfilling all of your electronic communication needs, you would build it with encryption for security, privacy and compliance. It would have tracking for better visibility, proof of delivery for peace of mind your messages were received, built-in e-signatures for quick electronic sign-off on contracts and documents, and be able to deliver extra large files. It would all work with your current email system and email address, and it would be faster, more secure, less expensive and more reliable than fax, postal mail, courier or overnight delivery. That's the email service you would build. That's the email service we have built. Trusted by more than 25 million users throughout the world. Empower your email with RMail.